this is how you're gonna make your Garmin work without having a cigarette lighter plug on it all the time and just using a USB. Okay, you're gonna need to break open the cigarette lighter, unsolder these two cables right here, which is this cable right here. Grab a regular USB cable, cut it in half. When you get the red and black cable, hook it up to the cable just the outside, and one that's in the middle. Put it together, maybe solder so it could be better, and you're gonna have a working Garmin that doesn't have any interference when you plug it in. See, charging, nothing about syncing. It's gonna work perfectly.